The finishing touch to the knitted sampler throw is the tassels, and this is the part that reminds me very much of patchwork quilting, because we're now going to take the yarn and cut it into lots of short lengths but equal lengths, and you decide the length that you want your finished tassel and cut your length slightly longer. I've got 3 lengths folded in half. It gives me 6, which I think makes quite a nice tassel through here, and I have picked up every couple of stitches. I just find a loop. I've got my pieces of yarn folded in half. You can adjust them afterwards if necessary. Fold in half, take it through, and it's just a case of feeding it through. You might find a crochet hook helps to bring your tassels through. Make sure that you've got all 3. There I only have 2, so let me take the 3rd one through. There we are, all 3. Make your loop, take the ends of your tassels, feed through the loop, make sure that all 6 pieces come through. Worth checking at this point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have one missing somewhere. There it is. And get them to the same length and pull to fasten them. And there you are. If necessary, you can trim afterwards to make sure they're the same length. You have your tassel. It's very simple to do, quite time consuming. There's a lot of preparation getting your pieces. I would actually suggest that you cut several pieces together, always keeping one as your guide for the next lot. And it just helps to finish off the edge of the knitted sampler throw. You can see they've not all over time. They're slightly different lengths, but that just adds to the charm. So very, very simple tassels at the edge of the throw. I hope you enjoy. Thank you.